Everybody, a warm welcome to all the young and dynamic girls over here, and myself, the MC and VJ Srilekha Menon. You will have seen me in channels like Pudhiya Thalamurai, Podigai, Vasan, Chutti and all. And outside present, I do work as a news presenter at a channel called Polymer News. And I'm so happy that I'm a part of Rexona Confidence Academy. A warm welcome once again, all of you, to this wonderful program. And Rexona, when coming to Rexona, we have been in India for more than 75 years, which is a part of Hindustan. Rexona is a part of Hindustan Unilever. Rexona is a part of Hindustan Unilever. And how many of you use the products like Brew, Lakme, Dove, Sunsilk and Ponds at your home? Can you please raise your hands? How many of you use these kind of products? Alright, there are so many, almost everyone uses these kind of products, right? So these are the part of Hindustan Unilever, and so that means that everyone has a trust on Hindustan Unilever. So Rexona is a beautiful product from Hindustan Unilever which gains the confidence, and 35 countries la vandu ella women me pathina confidence level increase agudhu vandu like daily routine la Rexona. Among all the 35 countries la pathina women ku vandu brushing, bathing mari Rexona use pannadhu vandu it has become a very common habit of all the women. So நீங்களும் வந்து Rexona use பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா it purely gains your confidence level. And also we have conducted similar programs in various countries, like Bangladesh, Turkey, etc. We have conducted the similar programs in countries across the world like Turkey, Egypt, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, etc. And this is the first time we've been to India, and that we are doing this program only for the selective colleges, and you are among those chosen few. And you are among those chosen few.
Yes.
So you'd have seen the posters like Rexona is going to conduct some event today. So what do you think this program is all about? Okay, and what do you think you will learn after this program? Alright, and today we're going to learn how to crack your first job interview and how to make the right first impression on someone, and how is it your confidence that you can set apart from that can set you apart from
How it is that your confidence can set you apart from someone else.
Yeah, how it is your confidence that can set you apart from someone else. I mean everyone else. Okay. And today we're going to learn like how to crack your first job interviews and how to make a good impression, and also how to gain your confidence level that can set you apart from everyone else. Chance to win a gift hamper worth ₹1,000. And all the beautiful girls over here, I have a small and important announcement. And all the pretty girls over here, I have an announcement for you which is very important. During this session, please keep your mobile switched off. Please keep your mobile switched off, because during this session you will be getting a message. Because during this session you will be getting an incoming message, and in that message you will be getting a number, and you have to give a missed call to that number so that you will be able to
win a gift hamper.
So you will be able to win a gift hamper worth ₹1,000. It's amazing, isn't it? Alright, and now shall we play a small game? Say yes or no. Yes. And you can also answer only yes or no for this game. Alright, so the first question is, only the toppers of the class gets the best job. Yes or no? Cool. So, and the second question is, for a listener, what we say, that is, our word is what that matters the most. Say yes or no. Cool. And the last but not the least, the final question is, confidence is naturally present in people and it cannot be cultivated. Say yes or no. Alright, so you have all answered very cool for all these questions. So do remember what you have answered, and after the do remember what you have answered, and after the session I'll be what is it?
After a session today, you will definitely know
what the right answers are. So do remember what you have answered, and after the session you will definitely know which answer is right and which is not. So girls, are you all with me? Yes? Say yes. Alright. So we are going to start now, and let me introduce Miss Amrita to you, who will be taking you through this session today. And girls, did you all know something? Like, did you all know that it just takes 7 seconds, just 7 seconds to make an impression on someone? And do you want to know more? Do you want to know what you can do in these 7 seconds to ensure that you are making a good impression? So let's proceed to find out. Alright, the story is over. And girls, what do you think about the story? And who do you think that they should have got the job?
Priya.
Priya? But why? Why Priya should have got the job? Alright, so let's see what our expert has to say about this. So girls, raise your hands and tell me, how many of you have body odor here? Okay. So you think like only few are raising your hands. That means that like only few are realizing that they have body odors. Alright, so let's move on to the next question. And how many of you have smelled body odor on someone else? And the third question, how many of you have told someone that they have body odor? Seriously, it will be like embarrassing. I know how it will feel like to tell someone that see, you have body odor. But how many of you have said this? So fine. Most of them they have smelled body odor on someone else, but not on themselves. So idu patti namma expert enna solranga girls, what do you think about this incident happened in lift? Okay, cool. So in the incident in real life la edavadhu face pannirkeenga? How many of you have faced? Kai thookunga bakla, raise your hands. Most of them. So at least once this time in this kind of situation engayavadhu or edathila nadandirukum illaya? Fine. So in the incident nadakama irukka or solution theva. How to resolve this? Pakla. So girls, now you have all learned about Rexona and how it helps you to prevent odor from sweat and bacteria. And let me show you a quick demo to prove how effective it is. So can I have 2 volunteers or a few? Can I have 2 volunteers to the stage with me? Girls, now you have all understood that what is body odor and how to prevent it. And now let's find out what else you must do in order to ensure a good interview. In order to ensure a good interview. And girls, now you have all understood what is body odor and how to prevent it. So apart from this, or interview ku vera ennala theva, or interview la success aga, what else do we need appdinu ipo paakalam.
Yeah.
So girls, with this we conclude our session, and we have learned a lot of key points like how to go for an interview, how to attend the interview, how to become successful women. And it is most important to note that the key point for success is confidence. And confidence comes when you have a good body language. A good body language comes when you have a proper and good hygiene. Especially you will have to prevent your body odor, as I said you already. And also you have learned like what is right dressing for an interview, and as well as like how to conduct yourself during an interview.
Yep.
So I think this program will be very useful for you. So I hope for the time we have spent.
It's the same. The crust is the same. You can use your words.
I think the time we spent have benefited you all. Say yes or no? Yes. Wow. So happy that you all had a nice time and you gathered a lot of information from us. And also, if you have any further queries, you can ask them now. So we have a question and answer session now. So if you do have any questions, our expert is here to answer. And also if you have any small queries, even I can answer for you. And girls, we have some small gift for you. So in the session முடிஞ்ச உடனே exitல we have some small gifts. And the giftsல வந்து you have a summary summary of today's program. So அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு further reference interview போகும்போது கூட அதை நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு போகலாம், so that you can crack your interview. And also அதுல வந்து Rexona roll-on இருக்கு. Just give a try and see how effective it is. So every day morning just use that Rexona roll-on and step out with confidence. And not only this, we have another special thing for you, that is instant photography. So இப்போ உங்களோட friends ஓட நீங்க வந்து ஜாலியா photo எடுத்து வந்து you can keep it as a memory. So on behalf of on behalf of this program, we would like to present you this thing. So நீங்க வந்து உங்க friends ஓட போயிட்டு instant photographs எடுக்கலாம். So இன்னைக்கு நீங்க photograph எடுத்தீங்கன்னா in another 2 or 3 minutes we'll give you the printout with photo frame. So do avail it.
Great, ma'am.